Hello guys, welcome to pcdrills where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we are going to be starting our new course and we will be looking at how to use the Linux terminal. So you might already know using Linux these days has become a very vital instrument everyone should have. And for the fact that Linux is very reliable and stable, and also one of the most important stuff with it is that it's free and open source, so you can just research on the terms. Free meaning you don't pay, open source meaning you can contribute, modify, things like that. So let's get to our purpose. So with this course you'll be able to take the Linux terminal and use it without any issues. So you'll be able to perform basic tasks using the Linux terminal. You guys might be wondering how come I'm on Windows and I want to be teaching you on how to use the Linux terminal. Actually, I'm on Windows, but I'm using this application called Mobile Exterm to demonstrate to you how to use Linux. Meanwhile, I've signed in through SSH. So on a Linux terminal, this small dark screen you see here is my Linux machine that I'm being logged in. So on a Linux terminal, if I was on the physical machine, this is what I will have: just this folder mine and this $sign, that's all. So on a Linux machine, which is also beside me here, decided to use the SSH because on the other Linux machine recording there won't be the best. So I hope you guys really be interested in the course, and I wish that may you guys follow up with the course keenly, because it's not gonna be an easy task. Normally Linux is for, you can say, creative thinkers, people who are serious about learning. It's not for people who think everything is as easy as it seems. But not to scare you guys, throughout this video we are going to demonstrate it with clear examples, clear demonstrations, and we are going to walk through it together. So thank you for taking the beginner course for Linux. We are going to start with the basic commands and we'll see how to use them. So if you are new to Linux, this is probably a way forward for you, and if you are already familiar with the Linux terminal, you already use it more often, then this might not be very helpful for you, but there are still some commands maybe you might not have seen before, or you rarely use them, so you need some revision. But with all being said, learning never ends, so you never might know what you will learn and when you will learn it. So stay tuned and watch the next tutorial where we start our Linux course. Like I said, I'm explaining it through my Windows machine using the SSH application. So if you are interested in the application Mobile Exterm, maybe you can download it. And if you wish to use it the same way like I do, maybe you can just comment it at the comment section. I can make a video on that. Or if you need just a help, just do the same by keeping at the comment section. Let's just keep this video short, and then next one we start right away with our Linux course. Like I said, it's just basics, so don't expect to be an expert after the course, but you should be familiar with all the Linux commands, meaning you should be able to use Linux for your daily use without any issues. Thank you guys, and we hope on seeing you as we start the course.